Sony is making waves in the audio world once again as rumors circulate about their upcoming flagship trio wireless earbuds. The successor of the highly acclaimed WF-1000XM4, the alleged WF-1000XM5 have recently surfaced in an independent testing database, providing a glimpse into their potential features and improvements. And according to a news source, the official launch is just around the corner, slated to happen in the next few days. Let's delve into the leaked details about these highly anticipated earbuds. Sony is taking lightweight design to the next level with the WF-1000XM5 weighing at an astonishingly light 5.9 grams. But don't let their featherweight appearance fool you, as they pack a punch regarding audio quality. Featuring Sony's innovative dynamic driver X measuring 8.4 mm diagonally, the WF-1000XM5 aims to deliver exceptional audio performance. The driver, combined with two proprietary processors and dual feedback microphones, enables real-time optimization of the active noise cancellation effect, ensuring the best ANC performance for any given environment. Sony has also enhanced the noise detecting capabilities of the WF-1000XM5. 3 microphones in each earbud can precisely detect and analyze ambient noise, allowing for optimized sound output. Marketing materials highlight the earbud's ability to produce richer vocals, providing an immersive audio experience. But it doesn't stop there. Sony has integrated bone conduction sensors with the WF-1000XM5, further enhancing their functionality. Combined with precise voice pickup technology, these earbuds excel at providing crystal clear call quality even in noisy environments. Now let's talk about battery life. The WF-1000XM5 comes with a 500 mAh battery housed in its sleek charging case, extending the total runtime to an impressive 24 hours. Sony is now once again tipped to launch new flagship TWS earbuds soon. The alleged WF-1000XM4 successors have popped up as a recent addition to an independent testing database. The upcoming Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds are rumored to include an 8.4 mm driver powered by 2 proprietary processors inside. The charging case is also tipped to provide the earbuds with a total playback time of up to 24 hours. Rumor has it that the WF-1000XM5 will support Bluetooth 5.3 for multi-point connection and feature an IPX4 rating for water and sweat resistance. In terms of pricing, Sony's flagship earbuds have always come with a premium price tag, but in recent years, their prices have been increasing. The Sony WF-1000XM3 buds released in 2020 cost Rs 18,000, and the WF-1000XM4 that came out in 2021 cost Rs 22,000. This price hike could be explained by more advanced tech, but also rising costs of material needed to construct the buds and a shortage of microchips. We expect the Sony WF-1000XM5s to be available in mid-2023, when there may still be high prices and shortages, which means they could cost as much as Rs 24,000.